Have you ever wanted to customize one of your LEGO clones, but you're too scared of messing up? Have you ever wanted to customize one of your clone minifigures, but they're just too damn expensive and too damn rare to customize? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple, but very effective way of making temporary markings on your clone troopers. So if you're new around here and you love LEGO customs, then make sure to subscribe. We have loads of LEGO custom content on the channel, and let's get into the video. So believe it or not, this is actually insanely easy to do. You're only going to need two things. One is a sticker sheet. I'm going to be using this 501st sticker sheet, and two is a pair of scissors. I'm just going to be using a craft knife so I can get a more exact result, but scissors works fine as well. So what you're going to do is find the colour that you want to use for the sticker. So personally, I'm going to be using this blue. So this is a really good sticker for the blues. You've got a nice big section of plain blue there. So I'm going to be adding a sticker to this guy. So what I'm going to do is, so I want to attach it to this fin piece here. So I'm just going to check, do I have enough blue to fit on there? So I'm just going to wrap it around like that, and yes, it seems like I have plenty. So now I'm just going to cut out a little bit of this blue sticker. Okay, so as you can see, we've just got a little bit of this blue sticker. It has got a curved edge here, so I'm going to try and get rid of that. But so the next thing we're going to do is cut a little strip. So the key thing here is for it to stay straight. So I'm going to be using a metal ruler like you might have seen. And I just want to make this line as straight and as neat as possible. Also, it says 69 there. Epic. So I just cut that little bit off the end there so that I get rid of that curved edge on the end. The sticker can tend to slip, so make sure you push down on your ruler really hard. Okay, so we have cut out our sticker, and as you can see, because it's so thin, it's kind of come off the stick a bit, but it's still very sticky, and I've said sticker too much. So now I'm going to gently apply it onto the clone trooper. You have to be really patient with this because it can take a while to make it nice and straight. Okay, so I've stuck that on and it looks really awesome. As you can see on the back, I've got a little tiny bit of extra here. If it's too much, then just take it off, but if it's just a little bit, you can kind of just push it down and it shouldn't look too bad. So now I'm just going to do another strip to put around the arms, and then you can do even tinier strips for the little bits on the knees, but I won't do that in this video because it's just going to get repetitive. For these extra tiny bits, like this little triangle, I'm using a cocktail stick or a toothpick to apply it. Like that, and you can just move it into the place that you want it. Okay, so that is the finished figure, and it looks really awesome, and the best part is it's 100% removable. So I'm going to be probably doing a part 2 of this, showing more ways that you can do temporary customizing. But until then, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.